Hi, Hector Quiroga here with the Quiroga Law Office. Today I'd like to talk to you about spousal petitions, what we normally refer to an I-130 petition. Spousal petition by a United States citizen to petition a spouse that is a non-U.S. citizen, a non-U.S. resident. There's a process by which we have to show that the marriage was entered into by good faith terms, that there was no transaction or money exchange between the families or the parties for this marriage, that the parties are eligible to marry within the United States. In other words, this is not a second or third marriage where there has been no dissolution or the death of another spouse. If that's the case, we would have to submit a death certificate or a decree of dissolution from any court or another country. And this is the process in which we can help you bring that spouse here legally with the proper documents, with the proper visa, and consequently be within the United States, get a work permit, a travel permit, or whatever other special considerations your special situation might require. This process is difficult. The forms are not necessarily easy. Some of the standards applied are somewhat difficult to follow, and mainly the biggest issue is if there is a mistake, the petition can be denied and then you have to reapply again. The application fees can be somewhat high, so having to reapply a second time can be expensive. Perhaps the biggest problem with this is not necessarily having to reapply, but it is having to or having to pay again, is having to wait. Sometimes a petition can be delayed as much as 6 months to maybe a year or two. So having to resubmit an application can have a substantial impact on your family and what you're trying to achieve. We process spousal applications here to bring a spouse into the United States. So if you are considering this or you have a question about it and you would like to meet with our office, please contact us at 509-927-3840. I'll be glad to help you with that. Again, Hector Quiroga with the Quiroga Law Office. Till next time.